Hi my friends, welcome to my channel Crochet with Sarah. Today I finished already Saint Rita's rosary. I'm gonna bead all everything together, but before I will make the cross just in front of you so you can see how to make it with beads. Then we will complete it like a complete rosary. For the cross I will need 5 petals, one more. I will work on this side. I will keep the other side for the rest of the rosary. So I will work on this side because I need some yarn to finish it. Then I will skip the first bead and go back on the other 2 beads. Like this. Then I will get to and I will do the same thing. I will skip one and go on the second one and go to the other side. As you can see, I will make the other side and again another 2. Then I will skip one and like this and go to the middle of the cross. And here, once we finish the both sides, I'm going back top on the up for the cross, and the cross now done. I will just secure the end of the both yarns. Then I will start with my rosary like this. And here I'm done with my cross. So here I attached each of the end of the yarns with separate needle, but I'm going to work together like this one. I will bead the first part of the rosary, which is I'm gonna put 2 petals, then 1 red, then I will again attach another 2, so it will be like that. I'm gonna keep this part, this needle away, then I will work on the other one. So I will go again on the same beads, and I will fix all this and come back to you. So here I attached the both needles with this part, and then it's time to attach Saint Rita's figure to this part. I will just attach it and come back to you. I secured the both ends here again before attaching the yarns. Then I'm gonna attach the both yarns to the body and come back to you. Here I finished attaching the lower part of the rosary. Now I'm going to attach the other beads to the rosary. So I attached these two parts to the belt. Then I will attach from here to go up, or you can end it here and just secure the yarn and cut it and start over from the head. It's up to you. I just went inside the body to get it up to the head, as you can see. Here I got the yarn up to this point. Then I will attach the veil and attach it to the head. Like that. Then I will start attaching the petals and one red bead like this. Then red, this is the most fun part of the work, so I will finish the whole rosary and come back to you. Here I attached this silver heart for my cross, and the rosary already finished. Hope you like it, and see you on the next videos. Thanks for watching.